Hi, my lovely people. Welcome back again. It's your friend, your daughter, Lovett. I don't come back again, guys. As you see here on the table, they throw away. I get spaghetti bolognese and some case, yes. So you dey see am, guys. Now this one I wish sell for work today. As I dey come, now I buy the bolognese come cook spaghetti for house.
And it's like it.
Yeah. So, guys, you are invited. Thank you so much for all your love, all your support. May God bless you. I get my Pepsi here. I've been at 7 Up. I don't know. Come and join me as we enjoy this with this here. You know why? Since I dey work for these restaurants, you know why they buy food for them. The way they take the cook and even the way we take the scent, guys. As I dey come to the next, so no, now this one now I want it for house. So yummy. I kiss my dear noise, my small princess did there today town. So yummy. So yummy, guys. I feel to eat this one every day. It's sweet. Thank you, my love. My daughter said it's sweet. I sure say I need some more salt.
No. No.
So, guys, I go wrong, go miss salt. You want? Okay. Take. The food too sweet. No, it's too much.
So much.
It's too much. Do you think thank you?
Yes.
Because you put too much salt. If you can't eat it, leave it. Mommy will give you another one, okay? When I finish eating, okay? The password put say sour.
Don't you stick.
So yummy. Same. Mm. 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 Drink. Sit. Don't put salt again.
Mommy,
Mm.
don't put it like this, okay?
Mm-hmm. Mm. You like this? Sit.
Maybe it's like this.
Mm. Good one, Pat. Mm-hmm.
Mommy, no difference. I'm divine.
Yeah, okay. You are not a princess, you are divine. Yes, ma.
But I'm a princess like divine.
Guys. Mm-hmm. I try to.
Me, I feel all of them, yeah. See, we do. See.
So, guys, thank you so much for watching. May you not forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave your comment. I love you. See you in my next video. Bye.